So we are going to start statement questions. That means verbal questions from the chapter linear equations. This is part 1. So this is the question, basic question. He's saying that 5 pens and 6 pencils cost 9 rupees, and this will be first part of the question. 3 pens and 2 pencils cost 5 rupees. This will be the second part of the question. In every problem, you will have two parts and you have to frame two linear equations from each part. From first part, you will get one linear equation, and from second part of the question, you will get one more linear equations. On solving those, you will get the final answer. This is basic idea. Now, I will be taking the cost of pen. Write down, let the cost of one pen be X. Let the cost of one pencil be Y. So here 5 pens. So 5 pens, 6 pencils. 6 pencils together cost rupees 9 according to the first equation. See, cost of one pen is 5x, cost of 5 pens is 5x. Cost of one pencil is y, cost of 6 pencils is 6y. Total cost is 9. In this way, we can get our linear equations in x and y. Now, in the same way, let us frame the second equation. 3 pens cost is 3x. 2 pencils cost is 2y, and the total cost is 5. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Let us solve equation 1 and 2 using elimination method. I am taking 5x plus 6y is equal to 9. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. I will try to multiply the second equation with 3 so that I can make the coefficients of y equal. So 5x plus 6y is equal to 9. 3 3s are 9x. 3 2s are 6y. 3 5s are 15. Now change the signs. Minus signs change. These two will get cancelled. On subtracting, I will get minus 4x. Here on subtracting, I will get minus 6. Minus will get cancelled. X is equal to 6 by 4. 2 3s are 2 2s are. X is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. So cost of pen is 1.5 rupees. Now put x value in. I will not take 1 by 1.5 now itself. I will better to substitute this. Put 3 by 2 in equation. In equation 1. What is the equation 1? Five x plus 6y is equal to 9. X value is 3 by 2. It will be easy to substitute in second equation. No need. Substitute here itself. 5 into 3 by 2 plus 6y is equal to 9. Numerator into numerator. 15 by 2 plus 6y is equal to 9. Transpose this. 6y is equal to 9 minus 15 by 2. If you don't want to take LCM, you can write 15 by 2 as 7.5. For a change, I am doing it differently, not taking LCM. 9 minus 7.5 is 1.5. Y is equal to 1.5 by 6. Remove the point. It will be 15 by 60. 15 ones are, 15 fours are. Y is equal to 1 by 4. So I am getting x is equal to 3 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 4. So x value is 1.5, y value is 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. So cost of pen is equal to rupees 1.5. Cost of pencil is equal to rupees 0.25. This is your final answer. 7 audio cassettes and 3 video cassettes cost rupees 1110, while 5 audio cassettes and 4 video cassettes cost rupees 1350. Find the cost of an audio cassette and a video cassette. From here to here, this is first part of the question. You will be getting one linear equation in this part. This is second part of the question. You will be getting second linear equation in this part. Solve both the equations to find cost of each audio cassette and each video cassette. So to start, I will be taking cost of audio cassette as x and cost of video cassette as y. So let us start the solution in the next page. The cost of audio cassette is equal to x. Let the cost of audio cassette be x. Let the cost of video cassette be y. Now 7 audio cassettes and 3 video cassettes. 7x plus 3y is equal to 1110. Second condition is 5 audio cassettes and 4 video cassettes. 5x plus 4y is equal to 1350. See here, cost of 1 audio cassette is x, cost of 7 audio cassettes is 7x, and cost of 1 video cassette is y, cost of 3 video cassettes is 3y. Total cost of 7 audio cassettes and 3 video cassettes is 1110. In this way, we got the first equation. Similarly, we got the second equation using the condition. Now let us solve for x and y elimination method. Multiply the first equation with 4. This 4 is multiplied to the first equation, and second equation should be multiplied with 3. Start multiplication. 4 sevens are 28x. 4 threes are 12y. 4 into 1110 is 4440. Similarly, multiply here. 3 fives are 15x. 3 fours are 12y. Multiply 1350 with 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 fives are 15. 3 threes are 9, 10. 3 ones are 3, 4. So I am getting 4050. Now let us subtract. These two signs are positive. These two are positive. So I would like to subtract. When I subtract, the signs will change. This will become minus, minus, minus. These two will get cancelled. 28 minus 15 is 13x. 0 minus 0 is 0. Get 1. 14 minus 5 is 9. Here 3 will remain. Okay. So x is equal to, in the next page I will write, 13x is equal to 390. Now we got 13x is equal to 390. Yes. X is equal to 390 by 13. 13 threes are 39. 0 will be added. So x is equal to 30. Put x is equal to 30 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 7x plus 3y is equal to 1110. So I am putting the x value as 30. 7 into 30 plus 3y is equal to 1110. Okay. 7 threes are 21. 210 plus 3y is equal to 1110. 3y is equal to 1110 minus 210. Subtract 1110 and 210. 0, 0, 9. 11 minus 2 is 9. 900 remains. So y is equal to 900 by 3. Y is equal to 3. 300 is 300. So x is equal to 30. Y is equal to 300. So the cost of audio cassette is equal to 30 rupees. The cost of video cassette is equal to rupees 300. Got it? In this question, cost of 4 tables and 3 chairs is 2250. At the same time, 3 tables and 4 chairs cost is 1950. Basically, in this type of questions, two conditions will be given. From here to here, first condition, from this part to this part, you will get second condition. Making use of these two conditions, you have to make two linear equations and solve those equations to get your final answer. This is basic idea in pair of linear equations chapter. In all the verbal questions, two conditions will be given. Now I will be taking the cost of table as x, cost of chair as y. If cost of each table is x, cost of 4 tables will be 4x. If cost of each chair is y, cost of 3 chairs will be 3y. 4 tables cost 3 chairs cost, total is 2250. In this way, equations are formed. Let us start the solution in the next page. First of all, you should take, let the cost of table be x. Next step, let the cost of chair be y. Okay. Now now 4 tables, cost of 4 tables is 4x, cost of 3 chairs is 3y, and the total cost is 2250. First equation. Cost of 3 tables is 3x, cost of 4 chairs is 4y, and the total cost is 1950. So I got two pair of linear equations. Now I will try to solve them. I would try to make the y coefficients equal. Okay. For that, I have to multiply the first equation with 4 and the next equation with 3. On multiplying, I will get 16x plus 9, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12y. 2250 on multiplying with 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 4 2s are 8, 9. So 9000. 3 3s are 9x, 3 4s are 12y, 1950 into 3, 0 5 8, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27, 28, 3 1s are 3, 5. 5850. I'm going to subtract. I have to change this bottom equation signs. Plus 12y minus 12y will get cancelled. On subtraction, I will get 7x over here. Here subtract 0 minus 0. Get 1 here. 10 minus 5 is 5. When you get here 1, it became 10. You removed 1, so 9 will remain. 9 minus 8 is 1. As we have already taken 1 from this 9, 8 will remain. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we got 7x is equal to 3150. X is equal to 3150 by 7. 3150 divided by 7. 7 fours are 28. Get 5. 7 fives are 35. You can put this 0 here. So 450 times. So cost of table is 450. Put x is equal to 450 in equation 1. What is our equation 1? 4x plus 3y is equal to 2250. 4x plus 3y is equal to 2250. Put x value. 4 into 450 plus 3y is equal to 2250. 450 4 I think it is 1800 plus 3y is equal to 2250. 3y will be equal to 2250 minus 1800. Subtract 0, 5, 12 minus 8 is 4. 3y is equal to 450, y is equal to 450 by 3, y is equal to 150. 3 will go 150 times. So x is equal to 450, y is equal to 150. So I got x is equal to 450, y is equal to 150, cost of table is equal to 450. I have taken as x, so 450 rupees. Cost of chair 150 rupees. The cost, he is asking us to find the cost of 2 chairs and 1 table. So chair cost is 150. Table cost is 450. So 2 into 150, 300 plus 450. So rupees 750 is the answer. In the next question, it says that Reena has some pens and some pencils. Together they are 40. So we don't know number of pens and pencils. In the last sentence, he's asking us to find number of pens and pencils. So first of all, let us take, let the number of pens be x and the number of pencils be y. Together, pens and pencils together are 40. So we got one equation from the first sentence itself. So we need to get one more equation. Okay, first sentence is done. We got one linear equation from the first sentence. Now let us carefully read the rest of the question. So in the question it says that if 5 more pencils, that means if you add 5 pencils more to the ओरिजिनल नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स, जो पहले से पेंसिल्स है उसको 5 ऐड करिए, So on adding 5 more pencils, we get the number of pencils will be y plus 5. पहले नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स y थे, अब आप 5 ऐड करें, 5 मोर पेंसिल्स ऐड कर दिए, तो वो बंच ऑफ पेंसिल्स में 5 ऐड हुआ तो y प्लस 5 होगा। आगे पढ़ेंगे 5 लेस पेंसिल्स। सो अगर उनके पास पेंसिल्स 5 कम हो गए तो यहां पर कैसा लिख सकते हैं? ऑन रिमूविंग 5 pens, the number of pens will be पहले x थे ना, 5 निकाल दिए, 5 पेन्स रिमूव कर दिए, 5 लेस हो गया। लेस बोले तो माइनस कर दो, मोर बोले तो प्लस कर दो। सो अभी 5 पेंसिल्स निकालने के बाद अब 5 पेन्स निकालने के बाद अब पेन्स कितने बचे? x minus 5. Now what is the condition? See the condition. Number of pencils equal to 4 times number of pens. So the condition is number of pencils 4 times number of pens. Number of pencils are now y plus 5. Number of pens are x minus 5. Y plus 5 is equal to 4 times x minus 5. Y plus 5 is equal to 4 into x, 4x, 4 5s are 20. Let us get one more linear equation. I want to take all the variables to one side and all the constants to other side. This minus 20 on transposing to left hand side will become plus 20. 4x remains as it is. Plus y on transposing will become minus y. Now 25, 4x minus y is equal to 25 is my second equation. So already I got first equation. Let us solve both the equations to get number of pens and number of pencils. So first equation is x plus y is equal to 40. Second equation is 4x minus y is equal to 25. So solving equation 1 and 2, y would get cancelled. I am adding both the equations. I will get 5x is equal to, on adding I will get 65. X is equal to 65 by 5. 5 13s are, so number of pens are 13. Put x is equal to 13 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 40. Putting 13, we get y value as 40 minus 13, that is 27. So I got both x and y values. So number of pens we have taken as x, which is equal to 13. Number of pencils We have taken pencils as y and we got y as 27. So she was initially having number of pens as 13 pens and 27 pencils, altogether 40. That's it. So here the cricket coach buys 7 bats and 6 balls for this much amount, and 3 bats, 5 balls for this amount. So we can start the answer taking the cost of each bat as X and the cost of each ball as Y. Now, this is the first part of the question. From here to here, you will get one equation. This is first part of the question. So try to frame a linear equation from this information. So cost of each bat is X. He bought 7 bats. Cost of each ball is Y. He bought 6 balls and total cost is 3800. This is second part of the question. You will get one more linear equation. 3 bats means cost of 3 bats is 3x. 5 balls, cost of 5 balls is 5y and total cost is 1750. This is your equation 1, equation 2. Now solve these two equations and find x and y, which gives you cost of each bat and each ball. In the next page, let us solve these two equations. I have taken both the equations in the next page. I will try to solve these equations using elimination method. First equation will be multiplied with 5. Second equation will be multiplied with 6. Let's multiply. Please tell the answers. 5 sevens are 35x. 5 6 are 30y. What is 5 into 38? 3800. 5 zeros are 0, 0. 5 eights are 40. Is it 19000? 6 threes are 18x. 6 fives are 30y. 1750 into 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 fives are 30. 6 sevens are 42, 45. 6 ones are 6, 10. Now, y coefficients are same. We have to subtract y because both are plus. So I have to subtract and change the bottom equation signs. Plus and minus will get cancelled. 35 minus 18 is 17x. 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 will remain. X is equal to 8,500 by 17. 17 5s are 85. Two zeros will come. So x is equal to 500. Put x is equal to 500 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 7x 6y 3800, x value 500, 3800, 7 5s are 3500, transpose 3500, on transposing it will become minus, so 6y is equal to 300, y is equal to 300 by 6, 6 5s are 30, 0 will come, so y is equal to 50. So x is equal to 500, y is equal to 50, cost of each bat was taken as x and we got the value as 500. Cost of each ball was taken as y, so the value is 50. That's it. In the next question, it says that A and B each have certain number of mangoes. That means A and B have certain number of mangoes. We don't know how many A has, how many B has. Okay? A says to B, if you give 30 of your mangoes, I will have twice as many as left with you. This is the first condition from where you should get one equation. From this first condition, you will be getting one equation. B replies, if you give me 10, I will have twice as many left with you. Second condition, you will get one more equation over here. How many mangoes each have? You have to find how many mangoes each have. So I will take number of mangoes of A as X and number of mangoes of B as Y. So first step would be, let A has X mangoes and B have Y mangoes. So number of mangoes A has is equal to X. B is having Y mangoes. We don't know how many mangoes A and B have. They have certain number of mangoes, means A is having X, B is having Y. We have to find how many each have. That means we have to find X and Y. You will be getting equations in the first part and second part of the problem. First part of the problem starts from here to here. Second part starts from here and ends here. In this part, you will get one equation, linear equation. In this part, you will get one more linear equation. Now, let us frame the equations. What does first part says? If A says to B, if you give 30 of your mangoes, I will have twice as many as left with you. So here, case 1, if B gives 30 mangoes to A, then A has x plus 30 mangoes, isn't it? Initially A was having x. Now after getting 30 mangoes from B, he will be having x plus 30 mangoes, and B will have y minus 30 mangoes left with him. So this is the point you need to understand. B is giving 30 mangoes to A. So A will have x plus 30 and B will be having y minus 30 left with him. So go and read the condition here clearly. If you give 30 mangoes, I will have twice as many left with you. So the condition 1 is A will be having twice as many B is left with. Okay, B is having these many left over. So A will now have twice whatever B is having after giving 30 mangoes. I hope you understood this. Now I will try to get one linear equation here. 2 into y, 2y, 2 30s are 60. X minus 2y is equal to minus 60 minus 30, and the final equation is x minus 2y is equal to minus 90 is my first equation. Sometimes in the equations you will get minus numbers. Okay, that's it. Here minus 60 minus 30 is minus 90. You should write this first equation. Now go to case 2. Read carefully the case 2. This is case 2. B is saying, if you give me 10, I will have thrice as many left with you. Who is giving 10? A is giving 10 to B. If A gives 10 mangoes to B, then B will have y plus 10 mangoes. A will have x minus 10 mangoes left over. So now what is the condition? B is saying that I will have thrice as many left with you. B will have thrice as many left with A. These are the leftover mangoes after giving 10 mangoes to B. Now here I will get one equation. Y plus 10 is equal to 3x minus 30. 3x minus 30 transpose y to the right hand side, 30 to the left hand side. 10 plus 30 is equal to 3x minus y. 40 is equal to 3x minus y is my second equation. Solving these two equations, I can get x and y. So A is having x mangoes, B is having y mangoes. We can find how many they are having. So let us solve both the equation. First equation, x minus 2y is equal to minus 90. This is my first equation, isn't it? X minus 2y is equal to minus 90. Second equation is 3x minus y is equal to 40. So let us solve these two equations. I would like to multiply the second equation with 2. So x minus 2y is equal to minus 90. 3 2s are 6x minus 2y. 40 2s are 80. Isn't it? So here I am subtracting both the equations. Bottom equation signs will change. 2y minus 2y plus 2y will get cancelled. X minus 6x is minus 5x. Minus 90 minus 80 is minus 170. Both minus will get cancelled. X is equal to 170 by 5. 5 4 5 3s are 15. 2 reminder, 25 4s are. So A is having 34 mangoes. Put X is equal to 34 in equation 1. So 34 minus 2y, I'm putting X value 34 here, minus 90, transpose 2y here and 90 here. 34 plus 90 is equal to 2y. Minus 90 became plus and minus 2y became plus. Here on adding I will get 124 is equal to 2y. 124 by 2 is equal to y. 62. Y is equal to how much? 62. So x is equal to 34. Y is equal to 62. One says, in this particular question, it is written one says. This is first person. And this is from here to here, it is first condition. Let the first person has an amount of X. Okay. The other replies. The other is second person. Second person has an amount of Y. In the end, he is asking us what amount, what capital they initially have. That means we have to find X and Y. From here, the second condition starts. In the first condition, you need to make one equation. In the second condition, you have to get one more equation, solve both equations to find X and Y. So initially, take the amounts of first and second person as X and Y. Okay? Let us write the first step. Let the first person has rupees X with him. Let the second person has rupees Y with him. Now let us go to the first condition. First person is saying, give me 100. That means if second person gives rupees 100 to first person, what happens? First person will have X plus 100, and second person will have Y minus 100. First person getting 100, so X plus 100. Second person giving off 100, Y minus 100. Now what is the condition? First person will be twice as rich as second. So first person will be twice as rich as second person. You are getting the first equation. Multiply 2y and 100. So x plus 100, 2y minus 200. Transpose x minus 2y is equal to minus 200 minus 100. Sometimes you will get x minus 2y is equal to minus 300. Sometimes you will get minus also. Please maintain minus. Okay, this is my first equation. Case 1 is done. Let's go to the second part of the question to get the second equation. So let's read the second part. The other means second person is saying, if you give me 10, who is giving 10? A is first person is giving 10. So if first person gives rupees 10 to second person, so first person will have, I will start with second person. Second person will have initially he was having Y. Now after receiving 10, he will have rupees Y plus 10. Rupees. First person will have, he was having X rupees, he gave 10, so 10 reduced. And the condition is, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. So second person is saying, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Now get one more equation. Y plus 10 is equal to 6x minus 60. 6x minus 60. So transpose y and 60 over here. 10 plus 60 is equal to 6x minus y. 6x minus y is equal to 70 is the second equation. So we got both the equations from both the conditions. And now let us solve both the equations. I will write the first equation. X minus 2y is equal to minus 300. x minus 2y is equal to minus 300 written. Second equation, 6x minus y is equal to 70. I would like to multiply the second equation with 2. First equation as it is. 2 6 are 12x. 2 into minus y minus 2y. 2 70s are 140. Now both y's are minus. I am subtracting, signs will change. 2y will get cancelled. Here I will get minus 11x. Both are minus now. On adding, I will get minus 440. Minus will get cancelled. X is equal to 440 by 11 exactly 40 times. So first person is having 40 rupees with him. Put x is equal to 40 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X minus 2y is equal to minus 300. X value is 40. Get 300 inside, it will become plus 2y outside, it will become plus 340 is equal to 2y. Y is equal to 340 by 2. Second person is having 170 rupees. Okay, so x is equal to 40, y is equal to 170. So first person's capital, initial capital is rupees 40. Second person's initial capital is rupees 170. Got it? I will try to verify this part. Let us go back to the question. X is equal to 40. Y is equal to 170. I will verify first condition. See here. If y gives 100, x will become 40 plus 100, how much? 140. And y will be having 170 minus 100, 70. So first person will be twice of second person. Condition verified.